Yeah, y'all in a plastic bag right now. We're gonna walk to our hotel.
When we came in
I could got my Lego bag off, but oh my god, y'all can't see nothing.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Uncle Slick got the bright idea of walking all the way back.
Y'all wanted to walk. So I was like,
We did when it wasn't raining as hard.
No, y'all wanted to walk in the beginning.
And my shoes are soaked. And Tristan is already ill.
I was sagging. I dropped my Lego bag. I dropped my Lego bag. Jackie Chan here. We walked, and then I got so wet that I had to change shirts. Right? It dropped the bag.
What bag?
This dropped last second once because we walked in the freaking rain.
Yeah, the rain soaked the bag over there right through.
It's alright. We still have the Legos. We got Lego chests.
Wow.
We're gonna.
Are you wanting the box when we go?
Nah.
I mean, where are you gonna put all those pieces?
Shoot. Yeah. Keep it. Alright, we're gonna build it.
This is my way of.
Let me see that.
Oh.
Oh, it's real?
Let me see. Oh.
That's good.
Gavin, wake up. We're about to go.
Check out Mama's OOTD.
Is that the checkerboard?
No, I was playing chess. They come with checkerboards and chess pieces, so.
Okay.
Unless.
But I'm not playing no checkers. Stop!
It is not raining anymore, so that's a good thing.
Going to Korean BBQ, Japanese barbecue. I was so looking at this. It's kind of wet, but I don't care.
And we're taking a lift this time. We're not walking.
Yeah, we walk. Oh my god.
Yeah. Uncle Sid took a blow dryer and dried my shoes. Okay, you guys, we are going for our Korean barbecue finally. We are catching a lift this time because we walked home. We walked back last time and we all got wet. It was pretty fun though.
Only an 8-minute walk, man.
Okay, let's walk. It's
watch
only,
it rain. I bet it'll
Uncle Slick said that it's an 8-minute walk, so we're gonna walk. It's not raining anymore, hopefully.
It's the fastest. I had sake since I was 6. And I don't need no sake.
It's cooler out, so I got my sweater on. It's gonna drop probably like 60. Cute, Sally. Thank you. Alright, so we're walking there, you guys. Look at Tristan Creative, you guys.
Don't know who that is.
Oh, whatever.
This is Tristan on steroids.
Oh, Tristan on steroids, my booty crack.
Does that say Acne Hotel? Where's Cainneth?
Whatever. Let's hope Daddy don't get us lost.
Where we at?
Almost there.
I mean, we gotta walk every day since we're moving here, right?
Wow, look. Oh.
Okay. Are you editing the video? No. Because I actually know how to edit.
Okay.
And I know how to make it look good. Best iMovie editor. I remember.
My bunion is starting to hurt.
I know this road, this sidewalk by heart. This road. 7-Eleven's right there. Japan barbecue is literally down there. Then we got all these ghetto places. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. Never mind. Remember when we had to pee up there?
Shortness of breath. Only with the mask on.
It's okay.
We We will check your temperature above 100 degrees. No.
What are you doing? You guys, look at what you're doing. Do it again.
Ready? Nobody wants to square up.
That's cool.
That's why we moved, because no one ankle squared up with me.
Hey, we made it for Cainneth's pre-birthday. You want to open up your present at midnight, or do you want to open your present up tomorrow morning?
I want to open it right now.
Right now.
After
gotta
we eat, let's
back
go.
to the-
Bet.
Oh,
Wait, how much presents you got? You got like 2, right?
we want two.
Both of them are for me. Mommy money.
Yay, let's go.
The reason why I moved was because I went to a hibachi grill and then I had a fortune cookie that said its time is right to make new friends. So I guess that was a sign. And it also said finish up old tasks. And then it said what else did it say? And it also said if you can picture something in your mind, you can have it. So I thought of a girlfriend and then it never happened. Other place. That was the other Asian food.
Hi. How are you? I'm good.
I don't care.
Okay. Go. Whoa.
You guys won't believe it. This is takoyaki. My first time trying it, I always wanted to try it. And then when I learned about what it is, it's squid. So I was like, I don't want to try it. But now I tried it. So this is my. It is really good.
What was the texture?
It's very soft, chewy. It just like melts in your mouth.
Ooh. How do you like it, Tristan?
Oh, so good.
It tastes like Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Did you try it, Gavin? Yeah. How do you like it? Not bad?
7 out of 10. Cô ở Việt Nam cái lấy phải phức tạp với ở này. Cô thử nhớ về hả phụ thầu
Oh, it's so good.
Oh my gosh. I think you found your new favorite thing, boy.
What is it?
What kind of cheers you, Cainneth?
Oh, look at that.
What kind of cheers you?
What is it?
Whoop. Whoop. Yum. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Soy sauce?
Try it, try it.
Yeah.
Cheers. Mo.
Oh. I caught that on camera.
This is gyoza. Pretty much.
What?
This is called gyoza dumpling. It's a dumpling, but it's called gyoza because of the way it looks. So if you see a dumpling like this, it's called gyoza.
Yum.
And if you see like the big plump dumpling, they're just called dumpling.
Tastes
So
like
let's see
bok
this.
choy. Tastes like bok choy. No, not bok choy. I meant it tastes like spring roll.
Spring rolls? Oh, okay, like fried spring rolls?
So it's pretty much pork.
Here, put it right in the center and keep it really still. Let me try to focus. There you go.
There's pork in there and some vegetables. That's pretty simple. Really good. Try the takoyaki.
I think I tried everything. Really good.
Oh. Noodle?
Garlic soy steak on a 5 to 60 seconds.
Hey, here's sausage bibimbap.
Thank you.
There you go, Cainneth. Wow. Be careful, it's hot. Very, very hot. again. Ah, come special.
I need
Happy 18th, Cainneth.
Make
Yay.
a wish.
Make a wish. Woo.
What do you wish for?
Yummy, yummy.
He doesn't eat chocolate.